Let's be honest, no asset management system is ever truly perfect. Even the most robust strategies need regular checkups and tweaks to stay effective. That's where the concept of continuous improvement shines. It's a mindset that ensures organizations are always learning from experience, evolving their practices, and driving stronger results year after year. Deming cycle, or PDCA, is a practical spine. The classic model for improvement is the plan, do, check, act, or PDCA cycle. Plan. Set clear goals, define KPIs, and design methods. For example, maybe you want to halve mainline pipe failures next year. Do. Roll out the program, like launching a preventive maintenance schedule. Check. Compare what actually happened to your targets. Did the failure rate drop? Why? Act. Adjust. If results fall short, you might shift focus, tighten maintenance, refine monitoring, or retrain staff. This cycle puts organizations in a perpetual loop of learning, so every project, big or small, becomes a fresh lesson. The power of quality data with a cautionary tale. Continuous improvement lives or dies by the quality of its data. Imagine if pipe break records are incomplete. Management could believe the network is healthy when urgent issues goes unaddressed. Some utilities have discovered unreported leaks only after new surveillance tools like IoT leak sensors were installed, exposing the true scope and prompting whole new strategies. Organizational learning, culture, and real stories. Real improvement happens when a learning culture takes hold. Instead of punishing errors, teams see failures as opportunities to learn and get better. Companies often run post-project reviews, lesson learned, where people openly discuss what went wrong, what worked, and what to do differently next time. For example, after a tricky pump upgrade, a staff might realize that commissioning was held up because spare parts weren't available, so robust pre-ordering procedures are backed into future plans. Connection to ISO 55001. International best practice is clear. ISO 55001 demands a formal ongoing improvement frameworks. Organizations that skip this step often get stuck, failing behind innovative competitors who adapt quickly and keep extracting more value from their assets. Practical tools and innovative methods. Audits. Both internal and external teams examine whether procedures are fit for purpose. Benchmarking. Side-by-side comparisons with other water utilities in Australia and globally can uncover new ideas or reveal gaps. Innovation programs. Modern utility experiments with remote sensors, AI-driven analytics, or mobile work order platforms, finding creative ways to boost asset reliability and cut costs. Feedback loops. Customers and frontline worker feedback sometimes reveal hidden weaknesses like confusing service processes or reporting bottlenecks. Let's make it vivid. A water utility launches a big pipe renewal effort. After a year, break rates don't improve. Instead of blaming staff or ignoring the result, the team investigates and finds that excessive network pressure, not pipe material, is the real problem. They pivot the strategy, invest in pressure management upgrades. The result? Fewer failure and smoother operations. Real world lesson. Don't be afraid to question the obvious, because the real source of trouble is sometimes hidden. Common challenges and creative solutions. Resistance to change is natural. People worry about new ways reshaping their roles. Limited time and resources makes improvement hard to prioritize, and focusing only on short-term KPIs without an eye on overall asset lifecycle can slow progress. Solutions: try small pilot projects, slow early wins, and highlight how technology like IoT, smart monitoring, and advanced analytics can make everyone's job easier and outcomes stronger. Continuous improvement means always evolving, never settling for good enough. The PDCA cycle, high quality data, a healthy learning culture, and leadership commitment are your best tools. Utilities that embrace improvement stay ahead and more efficient, resilient, and trusted by their communities. Now, reflective questions for you. When did your organization last review and revise a project? What changed? Which part of your asset management process is most in need of improvement? How could new technology like IoT sensors or advanced data analytics help your team drive smarter improvement? Next time, we'll explore stakeholder engagement in asset management, unpacking how building trust and dialogue with everyone involved leads to strategies that stick and real world success. Looking forward to the conversation.